Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday. It is time for me to do a little pop-up video. I have a bunch of box challenges that I've been itching to do. So I decided to make Wednesdays in October where I'm going to fit some of them in. So these two are Halloween themed and they are adorable. So I have $50, so roughly $25 each box. I have two boxes. I'm going to double check the amount. Yes. So I have $50. And the first box is from Janelle Ray Budgets. It's so cute. It's a digital on her website or on Etsy. And I think it's like cute pink Halloween. I can't remember what it's called, but it's really cute. And it was on sale when I was glancing at her Etsy the other night. So I don't know if she's still running the sale, but it's possible. That's all I'm saying. All right, so we will start. Let's see if I can. There we go. Okay, so how are you? Midweek, we're getting there. We're getting there. It's been cool here in Vegas, which is lovely. The mornings are cold. And I'm like, that's a little early for that, but I'd rather that than still hot. So, okay, so let's take our first card. It's our IOU card. I forgot to take those out. Okay. All right, Wickedly Pink. I don't have a marker yet. Let's use this one. So let's find this little hat. There it is. So I've already crossed it off, which is good because now I just have 4, 3, or 2. So I am going to do the 4. And I'll put this back in. So I do have a 1 in there. So I'm going to take a 1 and grab a 5. Actually, I'm just going to shove it in there because we're not going to count it. So, all right. Roll and save. Okay. Oh, did that have a spider? Oh, it did have a spider. Okay. So find a spider. We're saving $1. And I just made each circle $1. Okay. Save $1 in there. Okay. So roll and save. All right. Doing a D3. Forgot to get my dice out. All right, we got a 1. I'm gonna go one more time. Oops. And a 3. So again, I'm going to put a 1 back and grab a 5, shove that in there. Okay, next card. Haunted in Pink. Right there. No spider, but there are bonuses. So let's do the 3 and the 2 for $5. And I saw Sheila do this, and she mentioned Pam at Themis' Champion. So 2. And they were saying that they color or scratch off the one on the sheet instead of leaving it there and saving it that both numbers each time. I'm just going to save the bonuses when I pull the card again. Okay, I am not keeping track. I should be, but I'm not. Aw, but there's a spider, but look at how cute the pumpkin is. There it is. Okay, so it's $1. So let's do, I'll do the 3 and the 1 for $4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just going to put this right back in here. And then we're going to go back to the bonus spider, color it in, and save $1. All right, I still have like $5, so I might do one more. Okay. Boo. Okay. I'm just going to put this back in. Saves on cleanup later. Okay, so we have the Boo. $3. It does have a spider, and it has a bunch of bonuses. So we said we had $6. So if I do 3 and 2, that's 5, and then I'll do $1 for the spider. And then that's exactly $25. Phoenix. Go back to the spider. All right, so I'm going to put that IOU here, and then I can put all of these back together. Do a little mix up right now. So when you guys at home who budget and do cash stuffing at home and play games, do you play games like once a week like I do when I do my videos, or do you just do it on paydays, or do you just watch people do it on YouTube? Just curious. Okay, so that was Janelle Ray Budgets. Now we're moving on to Danny at Craftco Budgets. This is the Haunted Candy Store Box Challenge, and I believe it is now available on her Etsy as a digital. So run, do not walk, and grab it. It's so spooky cute. All right, let's see. We're gonna mix these up a little bit. I'm doing so many box challenges. Is this the one with the bingo? Yeah, okay. At some point I'm gonna just keep confusing myself with which one's which. Okay, so let's see what our first one is. Search and save, trick or treat. It's right here. We just have $4 left. And we have our card done. Oh, I was doing purple. That's why it looks so different. Not blue. Our first one done. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5. Okay, next card. Search and save. The little bat. He's cute. There he is, $2. And we have a bunch of $2 bonuses. So let's do one of them. So that's 2 and 2 is 4. And I forgot to look on, see if there was a bonus or a bingo. So that's $4. So it's a bat. Yes. And we're going to put that back in. And then what was this one? Okay. We are good. Put this back in here. All right, next card. Ghost in a Jar with Candy right here, $3. There is a witch hat, which there wasn't a witch hat on the others. This one will be done. So that's $3. So I have 2. I'm going to put that back and grab a 5. We are going to cross off the 3. We're going to look for the jar on the bingo and do our witch's hat. So each one of these are going to be $1, no matter what it says. Okay, so that one's done as well. Okay, let's cut the deck. Roll and save. Okay. I didn't write what I was doing, but let's do a D3. We got 1. Let's go one more time. And 3. I love box challenges. Search and save. Okay, so we have Spooktacular Halloween Wishes. So no cupcakes, $3, no witch hat, and $3 bonuses. So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I think I'm going to just do everything in here because then that way we can end perfectly. So if I cross out this 3 and do 2 bonuses, that's $9. Oops. So we put that back in. And then this goes in here. All right, so let's look to see if that's on the bingo board, which I think it is. Oops, it's not in there. So happy. Nope, that's a different sign. Okay, it's not on there. Perfect. So I put that I'm not going to pay any money for each icon, but when I get a bingo, I'll save $2. Just because I'm not bringing that much each week to play in this binder. And I put everything back in. Sweet. Okay, so let's add these cards back in. Do a little shuffle. Well, that was short and sweet. One of my quicker videos, just because I'm just doing 2 quick box challenges. I don't know what's quicker, me doing this video or me getting into this envelope. Okay. that was fun. So Janelle Budgets and Danny at Craftco Budgets, some fun Halloween boxes, and didn't need my scratcher tool. Thank you guys so much for being here for this quick video. Tomorrow night I will have a live, and I am gonna launch my dice. It was supposed to be today, but it's going to be tomorrow after my live. I'll put everything up, but I will show my new dice and my new one for sure product, maybe two if I can print enough to have it on ready to go. But definitely one new product and some really, really pretty dice. So definitely come by and say hi in my live. It starts 5:15 Pacific, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. And I hope you guys are doing well. And until next time, take care. Bye.